That's right.
Was it? I assumed it was him because he was going slow.
That's it, he's going like that. He's a little bit stinking. This is how he's going to
Ah, he's just getting the hang of it. Map, 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 map. Sounds like a fucking aliens out of Mars attacks. Map, 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 map.
Oh, you want to hear the big one first? Jack, I tell you, that time he went down there. This is really quad, huh? This is our second good day so far.
Looking right. Even though we started slow and late. Have you got a letter with you?
Late?
Huh. It's open. And then we'll sort that ravel out when you get back as well, alright?
Yeah. Go for a jump.
So high. I think he's weighing it up, you know. Here, record him for a second.
Should have brought my glasses. Where's he going?
2 seconds, It's all one shirt here. You're saying you're right cigarette or something?
And there's Ryan getting baby his kid. Well behind. He's trying to catch up with the kids 2 months from him. Does he want the whole thing or?